Hello, and welcome back to Dave's 30-Minute Meals. Today we'll be making shrimp scampi pasta with asparagus. Here are some ingredients that we will need to prepare this meal. Bring a large pot of salted water and some olive oil to a boil and cook pasta until finished, about 10 minutes. Place a large deep pan or a skillet over medium-high heat with 1 tablespoon olive oil and 1 tablespoon butter. Then we're going to add our asparagus. Season it with 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1/8 teaspoon pepper and cook uncovered for about 5 minutes. We're going to remove the asparagus. In the same hot pan, add 2 tablespoon oil and 2 tablespoon butter. Once the butter melts, add garlic and saute for 1 minute. Then we're going to add our shrimp. Season it with 1 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper and saute until shrimp is pink. Do not overcook the shrimp. We're then going to add 1/4 cup of fresh squeezed lemon juice, 1/3 cup parsley, and 1 tablespoon lemon zest and stir to combine. Then you'll want to turn off the heat. Return the pasta and asparagus to the pan and toss to combine. And now let's serve ourselves a plate. This shrimp scampi pasta with asparagus is so juicy and flavorful. Every noodle is coated with amazing fresh flavor. Oh yeah, and don't forget that grated Parmesan cheese on top. Again, thank you for watching Dave's 30-Minute Meals. We'll see you soon.